Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is HowFast. A couple weeks ago I had mentioned to you that we're going to be attending some Grand Bend events, and I'm not even sure if we went last year because of the lockdowns. Maybe we made it to 1 or 2 events, but again, this year we'll probably get to 1 or 2, and it's the end of the season, so it's unfortunate that we're showing up late to the party, but at least we're here, and fashionably late by the looks of it. So it's about an hour and a half to 2 hours up to Grand Bend. I still got to get a coffee in me, and we're going to hit the road, so I'll catch you guys when we get there. Guys, here we are back at Grand Bend Motorplex. We finally arrived, and the smell of fuel and the sound of engines in the background means it's going to be a great day. And I wanted to say thank you guys so much for all your support with the channel, with all your kind words and all your comments and all your the t-shirts and the stickers and the fridge magnets. We're gonna, like we always do on days like today, we're gonna head around. We're gonna see some of the cars. We're gonna talk to some of the racers. Hopefully, run into some of you guys, and I'll catch up with you guys out in the pits. So guys, after a quick walk around the pits, they're about to start eliminations. We're gonna take a quick break. We're gonna head up to the water box and see some of these cars running. enough, so that's good. Can't find oil the rest of it. So guys, we're here with Amber. You guys remember Amber Sears, and she's just showing me her, her team's new trailer, and wow, it is beautiful.
Yeah, we ordered it a year ago April, and we got it in April of this year.
So it took a whole year to get.
Whole year.
It looks like it was worth the wait.
Yeah.
It must be great at night, the lights and...
Oh yeah, and then we have the loading light too.
Ah, I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
So you were saying Jesse's car's down.
At the moment, yes.
That's a bummer.
It is.
But possibly coming back.
Hopefully tomorrow.
Hopefully by...
If not, if he can get back today, then he'll be here for top.
Great, great. And your car, what's the story?
It's all brand new.
I only got to see you guys once last year.
Yeah.
I only came down once, and again this year I'm really late to it. But
yeah.
I think, you know, these are just the first couple of ones where you're allowed to have a spectator in, right? And
yeah.
I was like, oh, I better get in now before it's too late. But I will be back in 2 weeks for Windsor weekend. Yeah, you got to be here for that too.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, great. So tell me about the car, all new this year.
All new, pretty well. So first 9 feet of it, from back behind the tire there, and all the way up to about the firewall for my feet, was all cracked and bent and MIG welded and not straight and just out of whack.
Mm-hmm.
So then we got that all redone, all of it. And then I got new back tires, new dial board, new delay box, new gauges, redid all the wiring, headlights,
everything.
New front tires.
Everything.
Yeah.
It's like a new car.
Everything is new except for the body panels and the engine.
Well, that's good. So how many passes have you made with this setup?
So this will be our 3rd weekend or 4th weekend out.
Okay, and what's your best on your current setup?
Best time?
Best time, best ET, and mile per hour.
I think 152 miles per hour at 68 or something.
868?
Okay.
I am thoroughly jealous. Very jealous.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah.
And I hope everything goes great for you. Like I said, hopefully we'll catch you making a couple passes, and I got to get you a new shirt. You see the new one?
Oh yeah, those are cool.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. So I'll have to get you one of those, and Jesse too.
Yeah.
And what size though?
Not kids.
Not kid size?
Not kid size.
Okay. Cool. Good luck, eh?
Thanks.
Alright guys, it's getting kind of late in the day. I am starving, Maggie's tired, Natalie is exhausted, so we're going to pack it up, we're going to hit the road, we're going to get some food on the way, and I'll catch you guys back when we get back at HQ to talk about everything we saw today and what's coming up over the next couple weeks. How fast was that guy going? Alright guys, that's going to do it for this week's episode. I had a great time today. It was really good to run into some of you guys. Josh, I want to say thanks for all the support, man, and I hope to see those vinyls on your car. If you put them on there, make sure you take a picture, make sure you send them to me. I'll put them on Instagram and show them on our Facebook page. I also want to say thanks to Dave. Dave, I wish I could have talked to you a little bit longer. And Amber, thanks so much for talking to us today, as always. So now guys, this week's How Fast Trivia. Last week's question, I think it was a pretty easy one, but a couple of you guys got it, and not the people who usually get it. So I really like seeing those new comments from those viewers. So thanks guys, thanks for the comments, and I hope to see your comments on this week's question. So last week's question was, in which country were Saabs manufactured? Your options were A, Sweden, B, Germany, C, Denmark, or D, Poland. The correct answer, as some of you had correctly responded, was A, Sweden. So this week's question is again about a car manufacturer, and the question is, which car manufacturer has the slogan "Go Further"? Is it A, Ford, B, Vauxhall, C, Land Rover, or D, BMW? I look forward to hearing you guys' comments and questions. So next week we're going to be working more on the brakes, and then the following week we're going to be going to Windsor Weekend at Grand Bend, and I'd like to bring the boys along. So you stick around for that, guys. Hopefully we'll get to see some junior dragsters and get to see the kids' first reactions of some of these real high horsepower cars and the way that they absolutely shake you to the core. I think it'll be fun, it'll be funny, and I can't wait to see, and I can't wait to show them what this sport is about. So I'll catch up with you guys next time. You'll find out how fast we can make this car go.